Welcome to my channel. We won't waste time. Let's go. Select top plane, sketch a circle, define it. This will be 200 millimeter. Then click OK. Then exit the sketch. Then we go to feature, and then before that we select the top plane, go to reference geometry, plane, and we are going to create another plane. So we will take 350 millimeters, and that will be the distance between those two planes, and then we click OK. So we use this plane to sketch another circle in the middle, and then this will be, let's say, 300 millimeters. Okay, then we'll exit the sketch, so we'll hide this plane. So this is what we get. We go to feature, swipe boss, and we'll select the circular profile, and then select the profile, give it a dimension, that will be 8 millimeters, then OK. Then again we go to swipe boss and select the circular profile, and then select the profile, give it a dimension, that will be 8 millimeters, and that's OK. Then we'll take the front plane and go to sketch, use the center line. Okay, then we'll take the line right in the corner and down to the other corner. Then okay, then we exit the sketch. Then again we go to feature, swipe boss, circular pattern, we select the profile, and then this will be 1 millimeter, and we'll go to option, and don't forget to uncheck the merge result, otherwise it won't work. Then we click OK. Then we have it. So the next step is to create the axis. So we will choose the front and right plane and click OK. All right, so now we go to insert, feature, and then flex. So we are going to twist this profile, so we go to twisting, then we choose the profile, we go down below, and then we'll set the x axis to 0, and then this angle to 0 as well, and we go up, and this angle will be 95 degrees. Okay, we can see it right here how it's twisted. So we click OK. So now we'll select the front plane and go to mirror. So we'll mirror this profile, and we'll select first the body to mirror. Okay, that's the profile, and then we click OK. So now what we do, we now go to circular pattern, and we select the axis. So now we go to body and select this profile and the other one. Okay, that's what we get, but you can change the number of meshes by just changing these ones and then but I think the more beautiful it looks. But the fact is that if you put more mesh and you have a slow computer, so it's going to take a long time to compute it. So I'd rather keep it at 60. All right, then click OK. It will take a bit of time. All right, that's what we get. Then I'll hide the axis. Then again, select the top plane and go to sketch, circle, define it, and this will be 198. Okay, so feature, extrude boss, and this will be, let's say, 3 millimeters. Okay, then click OK. Well, now that it's done, so I can also change the appearance and then give it maybe a red appearance. I think that looks cool. And that's it for today. Please don't forget to subscribe and see you next time. Bye.